Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today we are taking a close look at a piece of kitchen tech that might just change the way you handle small spaces or emergency cooking. This is the TOPWISH Hot Plate Electric Single Burner. If you live in an apartment, love camping, or just need an extra burner for the holidays, this 1300W device promises a lot of power in a very compact frame. Let us start with the design. It is sleek, black, and minimalist. The ceramic glass surface is not only aesthetically pleasing but also quite durable and scratch-resistant. It measures about 2.3 inches in height, which makes it extremely easy to slide into a drawer or pack for a road trip. The touch controls are located right on the surface, keeping the whole unit feeling modern and easy to clean. What really sets this apart is the functionality. You are getting 1300 watts of power, which is plenty for a single burner unit. It gives you 10 different power levels, allowing you to dial in the heat exactly where you need it. I was particularly impressed by the 6 preset cooking modes. Whether you are steaming, warming, doing a quick stir fry, or even setting up a hot pot night, the interface handles it intuitively. Safety is often a concern with portable burners, but TOPWISH has checked the right boxes here. You get a built-in timer, a child safety lock to prevent accidental adjustments, and a residual heat indicator that warns you when the glass is still hot to the touch. This is a crucial feature for anyone with curious children or pets in the house. One of the best parts about this burner is its versatility with cookware. Unlike some induction units that require very specific magnetic pans, this electric hot plate works with almost anything. You can use your iron, stainless steel, ceramic, or even glass cookware, provided the bottom is flat. That flat base is key to getting that even, rapid heat distribution that makes cooking enjoyable rather than a chore. Now for the pros and cons. On the positive side, it is incredibly portable, user-friendly, and looks great on any countertop. The touch interface is responsive and the cleanup process is as simple as a quick wipe with a damp cloth. It is a fantastic value for the performance you get. On the minor downside, you do need to ensure your cookware has that flat bottom for the best results, as the heating element relies on direct contact with the glass. Also, while 1300 watts is great for most tasks, it might take a bit longer to reach a boil compared to a massive industrial stove, which is expected for a portable 110-volt unit. Overall, if you are looking for a reliable, safe, and portable cooking solution, the TOPWISH single burner is a fantastic choice. It brings modern convenience to a compact form factor that fits perfectly into a variety of lifestyles. Whether it is for a dorm, a camper, or just a little extra help in the kitchen, this unit delivers. Link in the description.